ang sarap. Fruits. So come to the night market, Seahome night market. I'm craving for yung maasim. Umulan kaya yung basa. So a little dirty. Wow. Daming tao. Daming tao. Wow. Ganun gustong kainin yung maasim-asim. Craving for maasim. Wow. So kuya. Saan na nga ba yun? Ah, dito yun eh. Wala siya. So, tingin na lang ako ng pwedeng makain. Eggplant and oyster. Oh, mushroom. It's too big. Oh, mga seafood. Awesome. Burger. Not for burger kasi nakapag-burger na tayo kanina. I'll look for another food. Ito, sweet. Oh, this is takoyaki. Mamaya ano na lang, mag-shake na lang ako. Oh, so ito na lang. Okay, it's on how to option. So mag-shake na lang. Wow, only 30,000 but look, presentation very good. Na lang, mag-shake na lang. Avocado. Let's try avocado. Avocado shake. Avocado. Sorry, avocado shake. Avocado. Yes. Yeah. I'm actually craving for pizza kanina. Pero nakapag na lang ako, burger. Pizza. It's a handmade pizza. Look at this presentation. So good. Look at this. So aesthetic. Like it. Avocado shake with this very stick handle. Very eco-friendly. Very refreshing yung taste. So buy ako ng yung longganisa. Hi. So I have it here now. Well, this tastes good. Very smooth siya, refreshing siya. So I'll buy this. How much? Wala. 20,000 and 35,000. Let's try. Let's allow sausage. Ito, sarap. Meron siyang cabbage and what's this? Sweet something. No. Bao ba?
Sindong nga po.
Yeah. Ayun. Oo. Upo na ko dito. Well, masarap tong avocado. Ito nga lang kasi, very disgusting. fruity talaga siya. And of course, this one is yung Lao sausage. Let's try it. Sarap. Malasaan mo yung medyo maasim-asim. Tapos smoky siya. Tapos ito yung red. Para siyang luya, pickled luya, hindi siya masarap. Tapos ito yung cabbage. Sarap. Sarap siya. So that's it for our food trip here in night market. That's the night market. Walang mga upuan, so umupo na lang ako dito sa may ito ano to, kuliglig. So guys, that's it for our video. I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye everyone. Stay safe.